Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of growing exotic fruits and vegetables right in your own backyard, even if you're in a Zone 7 climate like mine. Yep, that's right. We're bringing the tropics to you. First up, let's talk about pineapples. Who doesn't love a sweet, juicy pineapple? Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a sunny beach to grow these beauties. In Zone 7, you can start your pineapple journey by planting the tops of store-bought pineapples in well-draining soil. Give them plenty of sunlight and water, and you'll be rewarded with your very own homegrown pineapples in no time. Next on our exotic adventure is the papaya. These tropical delights may seem out of reach in cooler climates, but fear not. With a little TLC, you can grow papayas in Zone 7 too. Start by selecting a dwarf variety, like R. Hovey. Plant them in a warm, sheltered spot with rich soil. Keep them watered and watch them thrive. Now, let's talk about figs. These luscious fruits are not just for Mediterranean climates. In Zone 7, you can grow cold, hardy fig varieties like Chicago Hardy. Plant them in a sunny spot with well-draining soil and protect them from harsh winter winds. With a little patience, you'll be enjoying fresh figs straight from your garden. Of course, we can't forget about exotic vegetables. From exotic greens to unusual root crops, there's a whole world of flavors waiting to be explored. In Zone 7, you can grow veggies like kohlrabi, bok choy, and even exotic varieties of peppers and tomatoes. Just make sure to provide them with plenty of sunlight, water, and nutrient-rich soil. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing exotic fruits and vegetables in Zone 7 is an exciting adventure. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and let's bring a taste of the tropics to our own backyard. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. I hope you feel inspired to get out there and start growing your own exotic fruits and veggies. Until next time, happy gardening.